Welcome to the channel. So today we have a quick question. Here I have iPhone 7 Plus, two iPhone 7 Plus, and one of them is fake. So can you spot the difference? Because they look exactly the same size, same camera place, everything they did not a very good job, but you're still from outside as a normal user you will never find a difference. I can see the difference here. If you can spot the difference between these two, A or B. The A is fake. This is the fake one. As you can see the difference between these two, this is definitely a fake device. This is iPhone 7 Plus. Let's see how they look inside. This is the original iPhone 7 Plus. It's look like this. This is our original iPhone 7 Plus, and this is a fake phone. I don't want to say that where it's from, but it is a fake iPhone 7 Plus. As you can see the battery, it is the cheap build, and never buy these devices because you will get scammed by these guys. You will never be able to fix these phones, and that's how it looks. Thanks for watching.